Have you ever heard of this myth that you should try as many things as possible in your 20s and figure out what you like, right? I think that is complete BS, right? Yes, let me just clarify what I'm about to say. Yes, you should try different things to find out what you're passionate about, but you've got to decide fast and you've got to stick with something all the way through as soon as possible. Let me explain to you why, my friends. One of the things that you must understand is that riches are never ever found on the surface. Riches are only found when you actually dig deep. The reason why I achieved and made my first $1 million in my 20s very simply is because I focused on one thing from the very get-go. And that, my friends, was in stock investing, was in learning how to invest in companies, was in learning about businesses and investing, and also with regards to teaching these principles to people from all over the world. And that is the reason why I managed to actually generate millions of dollars for myself. But hey, it didn't come around overnight. It didn't come around in one day. It came around as a result of 9 years of doing this every year, every month, every week, every day. If you focus on your one chosen craft and you choose to work on it every day to build your base, to build your mastery, to build your customer base, to build your audience, you will become well known. You see, today, let me just share with you, everybody has an attention deficit disorder. They go from one thing to another thing, to another thing, to another thing, to another thing, and that is the reason why most people fail. Most people don't get results because they cannot stay at one thing long enough. Let me just share with you something. If you are able to stay and focus on one thing for 10 years, you'll probably be ahead of 99% of your audience. Provided, of course, if you use the correct strategies. Right? But my friends, you need to be known for one thing and you need to dig deep. And let me just share with you how this applies to every area of your life. We talk about in investing, this applies as well. So let me talk to you about this. Concentration versus diversification. And let me share with you this very interesting principle. You might see a lot of gurus, for example, who tell you that, hey, diversification is very important. You've got to diversify, you've got to diversify. And let me just share with you something. To be honest, diversification is extremely important, especially when you've actually built multiple millions of dollars. If you're not there yet, if you're starting out, if you're brand new, if you're a fresh guy actually watching this without a lot of money, you need to spend your time concentrating instead of diversifying. You need to be able to concentrate your portfolio. You need to be able to concentrate your skill set. What is the one thing you're going to concentrate on and really drill deep? That, my friends, is the secret, the true essence and the secret to success. Every single millionaire I know in their 20s happen to concentrate on their one skill set, whether it's holding a camera, whether it's studying stocks, whether it's mastering digital marketing, whatever it may be. They concentrated and they put in the hours, they put in the years, they put in the effort every single day to mastering and concentrating. Alright, so the same analogy even with my investing as well. Let me just share with you, right? How did I build my portfolio? Starting out from $500 to building up a 7-figure investment portfolio. Very simply, that only came about because I practiced this principle of concentrating. I didn't invest in 25, 30 different things. I didn't have multiple positions in 1,000 different companies. Right? What I did was to focus and concentrate on a few winning companies, which really brought me massive success. You see, in the world, there are so many distractions. Every single day, there are different companies thrown at you, different opportunities thrown at you, different, oh, buy this, buy that. So many different distractions every single day. But my friends, the way to success is to be able to block out the noise, to be able to focus on what you really truly want to do, and to be able to focus and concentrate on these winning bets, on these winning investments, and to always double down on yourself with regards to mastering that craft that you actually choose to focus and concentrate on. So, in this video, I just want to share with you, have you been dabbling? Have you been going from left to right, trying one thing after another? And let me just share with you something. That, my friends, will get you nowhere. I don't want you to be in your 40s or 50s wondering what the hell do you do with your life after dabbling in every single thing. There might be some things that you do not like to do, but hey, guess what? Sometimes we have to embrace the suck and we have to concentrate on what works. So, the secret to achieving a 7-figure portfolio, the secret to achieving a 7-figure net worth, my friends, lies in this one thing, and the one thing is the principle of concentration. I hope you guys found this useful, and I hope you guys concentrate and focus. Thank you, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.